remember the snow from time so long ago, all stacked in piles that went for miles in the air. I climb right up to the top, the tallest kid on the block. Did the piles get smaller? Did I get taller? Did everything just shrink away? I can't remember the change, but everything was rearranged. Every day there's something that goes away. It's leaking like a faucet. I never knew I lost it until I wake up old and gray. And every day I wake up and see my face. The reflection is familiar, just dustier and blurrier, till suddenly a stranger shakes my hand. The one-way arrow of time, you can choose to ignore the sign, but you don't get to do the driving